Hello parents. I have had quite a few questions regarding the symmetry and how to teach symmetry. So the first thing I would do is look at the shapes on the screen. Take a really good look at the shapes with your children. Ask your child what they think symmetry means. So symmetry is when a shape can be folded or reflected so that both sides are exactly the same, so that they can fold onto each other. That is what symmetry is. They have exactly the same proportions and the same shape, and they fold onto each other. So I've taken two shapes from the screen, one that looked like this and the circle. I'll just cut this out, and this is what you can do with your child at home. They can copy the shape from the screen, and it's easier for them to draw it and then manipulate it with their fingers. Only when they do this can they see and experience the symmetry. Just by looking at the shape will not enable them to know whether the shape has symmetry or not, and which lines of symmetry it has. So this shape on the screen, we can see by looking at this shape that it has a line of symmetry here. We can also maybe see it has a line of symmetry here, but we don't actually know it until we have the shape in concrete in our hands. So by folding it, we can see whether the shape folds exactly onto each other. Does it fold exactly onto each other? If the answer is yes, it has a line of symmetry here. Let's try here. Does it fold exactly onto itself? If the answer is yes, it has another line of symmetry here. Let's try another way. Perhaps your child thinks it folds down across here. Let's try it. No,